Okay, lanes 23, 24. I hold the first 2 frames, 2 strikes. La-di-da. Still using the same ball as last week. The lanes are much tighter than last week. I'm like 3-4 boards to the right of where I was last week. So that's interesting. And so we'll pick it up in a little bit. All right, we're going to go into the 6th frame. I have strike, 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 strike. Front 5. Today was wonderful weather day, nor'easter. It woke me up at about 10:30 in the morning with the wind. So 3-4 hours sleep, whatever. And of course, when I wake up, I don't go back to sleep because I can't. So anyway, maybe it's good the lanes are tighter tonight. I don't have to throw it very hard. That could be in my favor.
We give them pins. Thank you. Let TJ
That's what happens as soon as I turn the camera on. But let's be honest, 4 out of my 5 strikes were light, and I wasn't going to move. So now I have license to move if I want to. And let's get this out of the way because I'm not going to talk that much. I know it's hard to believe. Hard to believe. I'm not going to talk that much. But I will talk right now because I can. The difference sometimes between bowling good and bowling bad is just little things. Just little things. And the little things for me that I'm starting to bowl good now is, number one, I changed to this ball, which I don't, even though the lanes are a little tight for it tonight, it's still working out. So it's what you call matching up. Number two, going back to the barometer shot, making everything easy. But here's the biggest one for me, in my mind. Moving that 6 inches to a foot farther forward in my approach. My starting position is put everything just, it feels so much better. I don't have to lunge that last step to get to the spot where I feel like I should be. And that, to me, that's going to be the key to bowling, I think really good in the second half of this season.
Hey, that's a lot of back and cover back here, because I'm sitting up.
Yeah, last week that ball would have hung on me. Let's see, like I said many times, I said I wasn't going to talk that much, and I won't. But the first thing that goes wrong when I'm tired is making 10 pins.
Four now, yeah. That's your first game, right? You got me confused. Yeah,
The Glassboro would like to thank everybody for supporting them this evening.
Get in the last two games.
I try to slow the ball down, and if I slow the ball down, now I got to move my feet. So that's what's up with that. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. I moved a little bit left and just threw my slow shot. All that for 215. That's just great. First shot, I threw too slow. I threw in a slow speed and missed to the right. It wasn't I threw too slow. It's that I missed to the right. That's what I get when I miss to the right. I get a boomerang. Second shot. I know the lanes are tighter inside, so I moved one board right of where I usually stand to make that spare. And I missed that spare. So 215. I'm going to rejoin sometime in the second game. All right, we're going to go into the 7th frame. Not sharp at all. I got spare, double. Wait a minute. Do I? Yeah, spare, double, spare, spare, strike. So I'm keeping the ball in play. Now, what I did, let's see. The 10th frame, I was doing my slow game. I found out that if I just miss a little bit right, it's gonna break loose in the back end. So I moved back right. I'm throwing it harder. Threw a couple good shots, a couple not so good shots. Now in the last frame there, the 6th frame, I don't want to move left into the oil tonight because I tried that and it wasn't really good. I'm not that sharp. So I tried moving right just even a little farther, and I went to a lower spinner than the barometer shot is, lower spinner, which I call my A game. And I threw 10 pins straight back, so I guess I got to try it again. So let's see how this finesse maneuvering works. Well, there it was. I go to my A game and I ring a 10 pin. But the ball's in place, so let's see what happens.
They can have it.
Well, I don't know what you could see of that. Maybe. Hard and straight up the drive. That's what I seem like I need to do to keep the ball consistently in place. So.
Where's the H1?
All right, well, that's where how I used to bowl. Playing the A game, I moved half a board right from the ring 10, and I got a high flush. And I can actually throw this ball harder than I used to, because this ball is 15. The balls I used to throw all the time, like at Harbor, strike zone Harbor, were always 16, so that's an added feature. All right, 215 again. I'll tell you, when I throw this A game, I get to be high flush or I don't strike. Don't get the off hits. I've always said that when I'm able to throw the ball slower, my carry gets better. So, it's true. All right, let's pick it up around frame 6 of the third game. All right, going into frame 6 of game 3, I have double, 4-pin spare, strike, blower 7 spare. Thank you very much. Still playing out in the weeds, still playing the A game hard and straight. It's just, I mean, I don't think it's an ideal shot for the night, but at this point I'm not going off of it, because if I go off of it I might waste 3 or 4 frames. And I'm around the pocket and making spares and maybe getting a couple of doubles here, so I'll just grind it out. drop that one in kind of a good spot.
Yeah, I'm fairly active. I don't bowl at night. Go to count standing, just count your move. But if I don't bowl, I average between 12 and 13,000.
I went in every now.
I'll bring it back.
I went to bed there, I can't. I quit now. I've been doing it for about 5 years.
Close enough. Take it.
I'll take that. I'll take that.
I leave my house at 5:30. I go to the house I get there.
Yeah, I mean, it's not pretty, but once in a while I get a situation where I actually can play my old A game, and I still don't think it's the ideal shot for me. But here's what happened today: we had this terrible nor'easter with, like 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts or higher actually. And I got woken up early, like I said before, and there's tree branches dropping on the roof. That's waking me up. So if it wasn't really nasty out, I would have brought a second bowling ball, second strike ball with me, and I just didn't feel like going out in all that weather with all that. So, but maybe next week.
I'm still not good at it. I drank too much popple. Rowan always popple.
Charge that one, break it down there. What?
Alright. First shot I tugged a little left, stayed there of course. Second shot I got way right. It almost struck anyway. 248, 678. If you bet the over, you won again. You won again. It was a struggle to get there. Not very sharp tonight, but I managed my game well. My physical game was not good tonight, but my mental game was really good because I found a way to keep it simple. So, and I'm a simple-minded person. So, okay, card game. It's very important. A spectacular array of cards are being shown over here. It's almost unbelievable how good they are. I'm leaving now. Bye. Next week, 21 and 22.